Good morning and welcome back to our forklift, industrial forklift training class here in Dhulaguri Industrial Complex here in the factory area. We have been learning the forklift, and today I'll be introducing you my one old student, left side standing there, Asim, and the right side the newly joined very fast today. He has joined the class and he has been given the steering today to hold on and the drive. But what I saw, he has performed well, and as because what I understood, again I will tell that he has got the driving license, he knows the four-wheeler vehicle driving, therefore he has been driving well, and I'll be asking them about the feedback, how well they are feeling driving this forklift and getting the operator course through different knowledge, safety knowledge and educative part of the industry. This is not the course creating only for the forklift operator or the driver. I am creating the forklift specialist who will be the part of the industry, logistics, supply chain and warehousing industry. Okay, let me ask them. I have been speaking a lot, but now it's their chance to say something. তো প্রথমে আমি জিজ্ঞেস করবো অসীমকে, পুরনো স্টুডেন্ট, তোমার কি অভিজ্ঞতা, কেমন লাগছে ক্লাস আজকের দিনও দাঁড়িয়ে বলতে পারো, খুব ভালো লাগবে, বলো আমাকে। তো
আগের যে ক্লাস করেছিলাম আজকে তার থেকে আরো ক্লাস ভালোভাবে হয়েছে এবং আগের থেকে আমার ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট আরো ভালো হয়েছে, গাড়ির প্রতি অভিজ্ঞতা আরো বেড়েছে আমার আগের থেকে।